face makeup tutorial. Let's moisturize. I have a clean face right now. Yep, just like that. I'm going to add some e.l.f. setting powder. I just tap it in, not too much. Now I'm going to spray some of this e.l.f. Mist Matte Spray, setting spray. Fan it for just a little bit, not all the way. Prime it with the e.l.f. Poreless. Now I'm going to go in with the foundation, True Match L'Oreal. I'm going to spray it again with the setting spray, then blend it in with the brush. An e.l.f. brush right here from Walmart. I didn't put foundation under my eyes, just my whole face. Yep, there's no filter, no beauty mode. Let's conceal right now, just like that. I usually conceal up here too, but not right now. I'm probably just gonna bronze it. Come for part 2. Blend out the concealer, now it's the highlight. Welcome to part 2 of my face makeup tutorial right now. I'm going to spritz some more of this e.l.f. Mist spray on here because I feel like it's already dry right now. Okay, now I'm going to blend it in with my brush. Okay, just like that. There's no filter, guys. There is no beauty mode. We're just gonna blend it in just like that. Press it in a tapping motion. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off before it's done, and I'm not done yet. All the parts that I highlighted, I'm setting it with this Sacha powder right here, setting powder. I'm going to bronze it with my Kylie bronzer right here. I got it for $8, and it's better than all the other ones that I got. Come back for part 3. I'm bronzing this area right here, right here, right here. Welcome to part 3 of my makeup tutorial. I don't usually bake, but it took forever for that video that I downloaded. So let's dust this off and see how it looks. Okay guys, I just dusted all that off, not bad. And then I went along and bronzed it again with Kylie's bronzer, even my nose, that area right there, right there. Now I'm gonna put some blush on it. I just used this Wet n Wild blush. I'll show you where I put it. Just right there, a little bit right there, a little bit down here. That's what I did, a little bit right there. Yep, just like that. I just put on some Wet n Wild highlighter. So I used my finger and went like that and blended in just right there. My nose, this one right here, a little bit on my forehead with the brush. Down here on my chin, right here, see that? Finish my lower lash setting spray and then tap it again with the sponge, beauty sponge. That's what it looks like with no filter.